It was another beautiful day, so we jumped on the boat and headed over to Egmont Key. Egmont Key sits at the mouth of the Tampa Bay. And Egmont Key is an island, so be aware that there's only two ways to get here, and both of them are by boat. You can either take a private boat, your own, a friend's, or you can take a tour boat, which leaves from various areas in St. Pete, Tampa area. Egmont Key was occupied by military forces several times in the course of its history, including during the Third Seminole War in the 1850s, the Civil War in the 1860s, and the Spanish-American War in the 1890s. The occupation of the military forces, which lasted until 1923, is still evident in the structures of Fort Dade that remains on the island. Alright, I've been walking around here a little bit, and the one thing that I have figured out is the mosquitoes are freaking vicious. These things are just swarming me. So wear bug spray. For such an incredibly busy boating day weekend on the 4th of July, it is actually quite, there's nobody in the interior. And part of that could be is the mosquitoes. As soon as you go to the interior, they are just freaking feasting, man. Those things are just trying to glue themselves to you and suck everything that you have in you out. So wear bug spray.